So hello Philippines and hello worlds! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again! Yes, so today it's March 13. So birthday ngayon ni bro. And yes, nabigay na namin yung gift namin ni Biggo sa kanya. Yung gusto niyang night dunk low. Pero dahil birthday niya and syempre nasanay kaming kumakain sa labas. So, let's go! Santiago Cove! So, merong bagong kainan doon. Actually, sa Vitalisana, kaso nga lang hindi siya buffet ngayon kasi may schedule kasi siya eh. Parang weekends ata ang buffet doon. Hindi ko lang sure, pero nung time kasi na pumunta kami that time, Sunday, ngayon, weekday, so, sa tabi na lang ng Vitalis kami pupunta. And, maganda doon, mga amazing people, so, keep on watching, mga amazing people, and always remember, life is beautiful! Let's go! Santiago Cove, mga amazing people!
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Da 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 da.
Thank you Kuya Don. Thank you Kuya Don sa treat. More blessings. Love ya.
Happy birthday, bro! More birthdays to come. God bless you. Enjoy your life. Ay, enjoy your day. Tapos na pala, na-enjoy mo na. Basta enjoy lang. Yes.
Happy birthday, Chad.
Thank you, Big Boss. Ang aking asawa. Thank you for the dinner. Thank you so much, love. So, tapos na kami mag-dinner, mga amazing people, and we're gonna go home. So, try nyo rin pumunta dito sa Santiago Cove, lalo na paggabi, mga amazing people, kasi napakaganda talaga. And kapag weekends, meron silang acoustic band. Pero ngayon, weekdays kasi natapat yung birthday ni bro. So, Wednesday ngayon. So, yes, napakaganda dito sa Rodrigo's Restaurant, dito sa Santiago Cove. So, thanks sa mga staff na nag-serve sa amin. And, yes, thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog, mga amazing people. Bye, everyone! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, bro! Enjoy! Yes, bagang mo ng jalaw niya, kaya mo bagan. Tingnan nyo kaya.
No.
Ikaw na gininumin. Magbartag. More birthdays to come. Good health. Yes, enjoy. Happy lang. Anos biyag, bro. Bye, love you.